Don't trade binary options until you learn this free strategy. Hello everyone, Rahul is with you. In this video, I will show you how to trade binary options correctly and make money from it. Today I will analyze and explain in the simple language how to use a strategy so as not to lose the balance, but on the contrary, to increase it. By the way friends, if you want to see more working strategy and receive bonus for the trading, then go to my free Telegram channel and see you there. Now let's talk about the most win strategy for the binary options trading. It is very simple but the most profitable. The essence of the strategy lies in the indicators that will help you to conduct accurate analysis and open a trade correctly. The marker and alligator are a good sign for every trader. They work simply if the upper lines of the indicator intersect and move up the trend. Then this is our first signal of the increase. Also, if the lower line of the indicator crosses the average and higher values and moves up, then this is our second signal to increase. If all the lines go down, then we just open a deal to go down. It's simple. In order for your strategy to work, you need to set the same settings as mine. First, we put type candles in the chart, set time frames for the 30 minutes, then turn on the two indicators, alligator and demarker. You can see the settings of these indicators on the screen. We set the commodity composite index. The transaction time is 1 minute. Now let's move on to the next transaction. Our first deal will start at $50. We will look at the indicators and see how the green line has broken through the lower value and is moving down. This is our signal to go down. That's why I am opening a downgrade deal. The first signal worked. My balance is $94 and I am moving on. The time has come for the second deal. I am also analyzing the chart and looking for the indicators. The upper line of the indicators intersect and begin their upward movement. I am opening a deal for a raise in the amount of the $94. Transparent transactions, fast withdrawal and big profits. This is about All-in Trade, a platform where anyone can earn a lot of money. Go to my Telegram channel by the link in the description to get a link with the bonus on this platform. Great, my balance has grown to $178 and I am not done yet. I immediately open a short trade as all the indicator lines are strictly downwards and move along a negative trend. And the third transaction is also completed successfully. My balance has reached $337. The situation is difficult on the chart, but the indicators will help us here. They saw a small jump and it is clear that a small pullback to the increase is beginning. The transaction time is 1 minute and I will have the time to make a profit. I am opening a deal for the entire balance for a raise. $637 on my balance. Good result friends. The strategy is really profitable and simple. I advise everyone who want to increase their balance. Good strategies and big profits. You can see all this on my channel. Like it and wait for new videos friends. Do you want to the same? I understand. Then I can give you a simple tip. Follow the link in the description and get a lot of working strategies and signals for trading in my Telegram channel. I am waiting for everyone.